Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to my channel Smart World View. Today's video is about animated apps for Android phone. I will discuss with you top 10 animation apps. There are lots of apps, but top 10 apps are these. Number 1. Plotagon Story. If you search in your app store, the rating is 3.8 and downloads are 5 million plus. The second app is Toka Life World, 4.2 star rating, 100 million plus downloads. This is very good app. You can use it and make animated videos in simple steps. Number 3 app is Twincraft Cartoon Video, 3.8 star rating, 5 million plus downloads. Number 4 Pigstart, 4.1 star rating, 1 billion plus downloads. Is very good app. If you use it, you can find it. It's so easy to start. Number 5 An Maker, 3.8 star rating, 1 million plus downloads. You can download in your app store. The number 6 Toon app, 4.4 star rating, 50 million plus downloads. This app is also very useful and very easy to use. Number 7 Animate M, 2.6 star rating, 5 million plus downloads. And the number 8 is Cancraft, 3.6 star rating, 1 million plus downloads. This app is also very easy to use. Number 9 Canva, all-in-one Canva. You can make it with animation or all other activities. It's very easy to use and it's very helpful for all activities. Number 10 Animated Stories, 4.7 star rating, 1 million plus downloads. So all these are very good apps. If you want to use it and it will help you to make animated videos. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, share with your friends. Take care, bye.